Yes, yes, and it's true. Some things just don't work for me. And honey, what I'm talking about is this hair right here. Y'all, it takes too much work to style and wave and perm and color. Oh, I can't. I can't. But this right here, I'm talking about, yeah, I did it again. Chopped it off. What can I say? Yep, she did that. It's gone. It's gone. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Yes, I am. Y'all already know I wasn't gonna act right with no hair. The girl is free. I'm free. I'm free again. Hey, some things just don't work for me. And that hair, loved it. Oh, yes, I did. Can't do it. And the other changes are, girl, I told y'all I got to do some small makeovers around the house. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of looking at the same thing. And I know Maddie said some of the stuff I've had looking like this since she was a teeny tiny tyke. And this bathroom right here, look at it. Every time I would film in here, I would be orange. So now I'm painting it. This is supposed to have been, it was supposed to be like a peachy looking color. I don't know, but I did a little painting, just a little bit, and trying to see if I can make this gloomy little bathroom appear a lot brighter and a lot more vibrant. Yeah, yeah. This needs a makeover for real. I know, it's homely. It's what we do, it's how we live sometimes, But I'm getting myself together to make the best of this little situation. See, I've already started. This is part one. Part one right here. Yes. And then once I finish this, we'll be doing some filming in here again, but I was so tired of looking orange every time I would film. It was so crazy. So now that I've done a few little changes, it's coming along, it's coming along. I done put my picture up, y'all. Going on around. Almost there. Woohoo! A little painting, yeah, brighten it up a little bit. We're gonna see if this ancient little bathroom can be a place where I can handle some work in here without looking orange. Girl, tired of it. I was tired of that, okay? And boom bang. Now the color on this camera, this is my vlog camera. I don't know what's up with it, but things are not quite the right color. But as you can see, it did brighten it up. I've put the shower curtain up. I put the picture up. Yes. And honey, I tell you what, it's going to come together. I hope to finish this real soon, like this weekend or something like that. Okay. So y'all, here we go. We're in business. We are in business. And hopefully I won't be looking orange on my upcoming videos. Y'all, it was a struggle. I was on the struggle bus with this little mission. But anyway, I want to share with y'all that I'm trying to do my own little DIY on the bathroom. Now, Mike hates painting, period. I don't love painting, but I'll do it because I want the changes made. So I'm taking my time, and I'll see y'all on the update when I do the update to let you see what it looks like and the final results. Okay, y'all, drop a like on this video. Give your girl some encouragement to get through this process. I need it. And y'all already know it's behind the scenes, so I'm taking you behind the scenes. And I took you to the bathroom, which y'all, it ain't the first time you've been in here before, but we are here. You and I are here. And y'all, don't keep it a secret. Let everybody know where you're hanging out at on behind the scenes. So please share your girl with your world. I'll see y'all on the next update and some more. Okay, bye.